In this video, I will be showing you how you can earn up to $2,000 per hour using a tool that will make you money without doing any hard work. This has no country restrictions, anyone can do this worldwide. All you need to do is follow all the steps in this tutorial to get started. Just before we jump straight into the video, I want to ask you to support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any future uploads, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Before we go to the website, you need to create a PayPal account for free, and you can do that by visiting paypal.com. If you don't want that option or you don't want to do that, you can set up your bank account online by using Google. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you proof that this method is real. So as you can see, I made this amount of money directly on this platform. This is the amount of money credited to my PayPal account. There are ways you can leverage the platform and make a lot more money, but I just want to show you proof that it's legitimate and real. The website that I want to share with you today is called SpyFu.com. This is a site I'm pretty sure none of you have ever heard about before, but believe it or not, you can make a lot of money here. Now what this site does is it helps other people with either the website or Google Ads to generate traffic for a small amount of money. The way it accomplishes that is seen right over here. SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. Search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they've bidded on at Google Ads, every organic rank and every ad variation in the last 14 years. Now this may sound a bit complicated and overwhelming at first, which is why I urge you to stay with me because we will not be paying for anything, and secondly, it's not as complicated as it may seem, and you don't even need to know how website traffic works, so it's a very easy strategy. Now there is a lot more to this website that you can read if you want to, but as I said, you don't need to know anything more, apart from the fact that it increases traffic to websites and various advertisers on Google. So what you need to do when you come onto their homepage is scroll down to the bottom and click on affiliates right here. Now SpyFu is fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and it's mainly because of these recurring commissions with a 40% payout for life. So let me break down what this means. If someone you refer keeps paying SpyFu for a year, which means throughout the entire year, you will get 40% of what they pay on this website, which is huge. So you have two very big things about the affiliate program. One, it pays a lot. Two, it pays recurring commissions, making it the go-to site for someone looking to make money and passive income. Yes, they do pay SpyFu, but they will be getting a huge return on that investment, which will of course encourage them to keep using it for a longer period. And on this page, you'll see soon enough exactly how many people stop using the tool after they start. I'll tell you the reason why later. In any case, people sticking around means you will be able to earn more money even if you refer a small number of people to this website. Anyways, if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see more info about their affiliate program. They have a 365-day tracking cookie. What this means is that when someone clicks on your affiliate link, if they don't sign up via that link right away, that means if they do sign up in literally a single year, you will still get paid. This is an excellent feature because just as it says below, not every visitor converts right then. So this allows you to earn money even if people you refer don't sign up right away. The next thing you can see is that you get paid twice a month, and more importantly through PayPal or wire transfer. Here you can see that the site allows you to earn money through passive income, and here is exactly what I was saying before. With less than a 4% churn rate, SpyFu customers rarely leave your recurring commissions. So only a mere 4% of people stop using this tool after they start. This further shows us just how much potential this site offers you. Most people you refer won't stop using it, which is one of the best features of this site affiliate program. The last thing you can read on this page here are the frequently asked questions. To start as an affiliate on here, just simply click on Start Earning Every Month right over here, create your account, and grab your affiliate link. The last thing I want to show you before we move on to the traffic source is something I know you'll want to know, which is how much money are we talking about here? By the way, you can check this out yourself by clicking on pricing right here. Anyways, this site offers people 3 different pricing plans, which are basic, professional, and team, all 3 of which offer the annual and monthly pricing options, which the latter being slightly more expensive. The professional pricing plan is the one most people go for since it's not too expensive but also not too cheap. Just think about it like this. If you bring 10 people here and they all take the annual professional pricing options, that means you have generated sales on SpyFu for around $7,200. Since you get 40% commission, that is already nearly $3,000 a year from just 10 people. So this site can most definitely make you a lot of money. With that out of the way, let me now show you how you'll be getting traffic to that affiliate link. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. What you need to do is to come over to Google, and the first thing you need to do is make sure your ad blocker is turned off, so Google will show you ads when you search for something, and what you'll need to search for is stuff that will show you ads. So for example, I searched for weight loss and quite a few ads are popping up, but it doesn't have to be health related. Our goal here is for Google to show us ads. So you can search for a product of some sort or whatever. The reason we're doing this is because those advertisers will be our customers. But there are 2 important factors here. First, don't open up ads that show up on the very first page of Google, but the ones that you find find on the second or third pages. The second important thing is to not open up the first ad you see, but the third and fourth. Let me explain further as to why we're doing this. These advertisers are giving Google hundreds of dollars daily, but if they are not on the first page of Google, that means they are losing like 90% of the potential traffic. In turn, means that they are losing a lot of money, and since they're advertising, we know that they have a large budget, so they will be more than willing to give SpyFu a try to get more traffic to their ads. Your goal is to now open up one of the ads, and you will now need to find the contact info of those people, their Instagram page, Facebook page, email address, whatever it may be. For me, I found their social media info right over here. You'll now contact these people and tell them the benefits of SpyFu. Just go through all of these features and tell them that it's a great investment for them. You will do all of this for all different advertisers. You can find that the majority of them will be willing to give SpyFu a try. I can guarantee you that. However, that is not all I have for you today. In case you don't exactly know what to search for, a site called infinitesuggest.com will be of huge help to you. This will give you keyword suggestions. For those who don't know what a keyword is, obviously a keyword is a word or words people type in when searching for something, and so if you type in weight loss, as I did then, it will show me all of these keywords, and each time I type in one of them, different ads will pop up, and in this fashion, I won't run out of potential clients ever, and I will easily be able to find many more of them, and simply repeat the process over and over again and make thousands of dollars passively. Do you want to learn how you can earn money by simply copy and pasting? Click here!